Cherry Tree Inn by Henry Lawson. The rafters are open to sun, moon and star. The thistles and nettles grow high in the bar. The chimneys are crumbling, the log fires are dead, and green mosses sprung from the hearthstone instead. The voices are silent, the bustle and din, for the railroad has ruined the Cherry Tree Inn. Save the glimmer of stars or the moon's pallid streams and the sound of the possums that camp on the beams, the barroom is dark and the stable is still, for the coach comes no more over Cherry Tree Hill. No riders push on through the darkness to win the rest and the comfort of Cherry Tree Inn. I drift from my theme, for my memory strays to the carrying, digging and bushranging days, far back to the years that I still loved the best, when a stream of wild diggers rushed into the west, but the rushes grew feeble and sluggish and thin, till scarcely a swagman passed Cherry Tree Inn. Do you think, my old mate, if it's thinking you be, of the times when you tramped to the goldfield with me? Do you think of the day of the 30-mile tramp, when never a fire could we light on the camp, and weary and footsore and drenched to the skin, we tramped o'er the ranges from Cherry Tree Inn? Then I had a sweetheart and you had a wife, and Johnny was more to his mother than life. But we solemnly swore ere that evening was done that we'd never return till our fortunes were won. Next morning, to harvests of folly and sin, we tramped o'er the ranges from Cherry Tree Inn.